Good morning, everyone. I am Jennifer Ricudes Paraiso from Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. My study entitled Trial and Feed Formulation Using the Oil Rice Bran, Its Stability and Acceptability. Introduction. The oil rice bran is obtained after extraction of crude oil from rice. The oil rice bran is an important ingredient for cattle, poultry, and pig feeds. The oil rice bran is the key to wholesome development of livestock. For this nutrient supply extremely rich and premium quality. The oil rice bran, which is deal for making cattle poultry feed by Haryana et al. 2017. Objective: Number 1, to formulate feeds using the oil rice bran. Number 2, to determine the stability of formulated feed in water. Number 3, to determine the acceptability of formulated diet using the oil rice bran. Number 4, to conduct trial on tilapia using developed feeds. Materials and method. Study site. The study was conducted at the Western Philippines University at Puerto Princesa campus. Hatchery facilities. Preparation of raw materials. Both rice bran, a strained rice bran to remove large particle. Third is to prepare transparent container. Mix the rice bran and methanol and soak for 24 hours. After soaking of rice bran with methanol, the oil was stripped using filter paper. The old rice bran was put in the rice winnower to make it dried. Table 1, the name of the ingredients and their amount that will be used in formulating feed development. Ingredients: the old rice bran, fish meal, fish oil, gelatin, or starch. Sa control, ang D-oil ko ay 0. Ang fish meal ko ay meron siyang 70%. Ang fish oil ay 15%. Ang gelatin ko ay, or starch ay 15%. The total are 100%. Sa treatment 1 naman, ang D-oil rice bran ko ay 25%, ang fish meal ay 45%, ang fish oil ay 15%, ang gelatin ay 15%, total is 100%. Sa treatment 2 ko naman, ang D-oil rice bran ko ay 40%, fish meal ko ay 30%, ang fish oil ko 15%, ang starch ko ay 15%, total na ay 100%. Result of acceptability ng color, odor, and texture. Sa color, light brown, sa odor, less, and sa texture ay soft. Sa control ko yan. Sa T1 naman, treatment 1, ang color niya ay brown, ang odor niya ay less moderate, ang texture niya ay slightly hard. Sa treatment 2 ko naman ay dark brown color, moderate odor, slightly hard texture. Result of feed stability. Sa control, simula 1 hour to 4 hours, walang pagbabago, buo pa din siya. Pero dumating ng 5 hours, medyo natunaw na siya. Sa treatment 1 ko naman, simula 1 to 3 hours, wala rin pagbabago. Pagdating sa 4, ay medyo natunaw. Pagdating sa 5, ay natunaw na. 5 hours. Sa treatment 2 ko naman, simula sa 1 to 3 hours, wala rin pagbabago. Pero pagdating ng 4 to 5, medyo tunaw na sila. Trial on fish at 8 a.m. Sa control, nag-intake. Sa T1 ko ay hindi nag-intake. Sa T2 ko ay hindi nag-intake. Ang conclusion, based on the findings of the study, it can be concluded that the formulated feeds were generally acceptable for the fish, with the control and treatment 2 feeds being more preferred than treatment 1. However, the study also suggests that factors such as the feed formulation process and the extract nutrient content of the ingredients can affect the acceptability of the feeds by the fish It is important to consider these factors when formulating feeds for fish to ensure optimal growth, performance, and palatability. Recommendation: this study recommends to observe the high temperature and high moisture are the most significant factors for formulating feeds. Furthermore, analyze the nutrient content of the formulated feed to extract the exact amount of feeds of needs. Appendices, yung pinakauna, yung control, pangalawa ay ang treatment 1, pangatlo ang treatment 3. Dito naman sa baba, ito yung stability ng feeds. Yung una, control, pangalawa, treatment 2, pangatlo ay treatment 3. Thank you.